Hi guys, this is Yana and Czech with Yana. We're talking about Czech language, Czech culture, and Czech customs. Let's dive into it. So today, I would like to talk to you about nature. Here is a surprise. Look at this beauty. So, Czech people think that they have great nature. Well, why not? It is so easy to get outside of the city. You just travel a little bit, maybe with the bus, with the train, or by car. You can get somewhere in the neighborhood and you can see nice forests like this. Look at that. No one is around. It is just lovely. And we love mushroom picking. Yeah. So you can mushroom picking, you can pick some blueberries, some raspberries, some cranberries. Yeah, all of those you can find in the forest. They are different than blueberries that are from Canada. Ours are smaller and they're red inside, and the flavor and texture is a little bit different. So I like both. I think about them as two kinds of fruits, but they're delicious. You can make blueberry pancakes, blueberry cake, blueberry pie, blueberry desserts, all kinds of things. Yeah, so you can just go for a walk. Why not? You can hike, you can go to the nice park. Well, we have, as I said, we have pretty forests all over the place. And also there are marks, so, and pots, so you can pick the color you like, red, yellow, green, blue, and follow those marks and take a trip following those marks. Don't worry, you don't need to pack too many things because we live in the Czech Republic, so the pub is just everywhere. So even on the top of the mountain, you would be like thinking, oh, what the hell? There cannot be a pub up the hill. Believe me, there is a pub. Definitely. Or if there is no pub, there will be at least some kind of standard place or shed where you can buy freshly brewed beer. Drafted one, of course. So take some coins with some money and just go for a trip. You can hike, you can just look around, see some nature, some beautiful landscapes, some cliffs and rocks. It is really nice and pretty, very, very relaxing. I would recommend to you just do that. Go for walks to the nature instead of looking for some surgery of a therapist or psychiatrist, psychologist. Just go and forests and nature. We have beautiful landscape, lakes, rivers, mountains, all kinds of things you can think of, and just smell this fresh air, and it is just relaxing, you know. Look at that. The bright sky. It is just, you look down and see how pretty. Yeah, so just go and explore. It doesn't matter in which part in the Czech Republic or Slovakia you live, there are really pretty sceneries all over the place. Don't just focus on the city or towns. Go to explore even the villages and the countryside, because it is different. It is absolutely different, and beer is cheaper. That's good news for you. Beer is cheaper and it is different. The people think a little bit differently. They're more friendly. Stuff is just different. So go and explore that. Let me know in the comment section down below. What do you think? How do you like Czech nature? And do you like it? Do you find it peaceful as me? Take good care.